Hi friends, my name is Milan. In this video I will explain you exercise 2.7 question number 5 internal question number 1 to 4. So let's start it with question number 1. Our question number 1 is 7 divided by 3.5. Okay, first of all we need to convert this decimal number into fraction. Okay, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. So our first step is, first of all, convert this number into fraction. After that, in third step, we just convert division into multiplication and we can take the reciprocal. Okay, in first step we need to put division sign as it is. Our first number is 7. Okay, so 7 as it is. Right now division even as it is, directly we cannot convert into multiplication. Okay, because second number is a decimal number. First of all we need to convert into fraction. So in second step, put division sign as it is. First of all, convert this 3.5 into fraction. So how we can convert this 3.5 into fraction? So first of all, ignore the decimal point. So 35. After decimal point we have one digit. So in denominator we need to put 10. It means 10. Okay, 1 we always need to write before the 0. So 10. So 7 divided by 35 divided by 10. Okay, first of all we need to convert this decimal number into fraction. Okay, now we can convert our division into multiplication, because we can take the reciprocal of second number. Okay, so our first number remains as it is. We need to convert this division into multiplication and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Now reciprocal, that means we need to change the numerator and denominator. Okay, so this denominator 10 goes to the numerator and this 35 goes to the denominator. So 10 by 35. Okay, reciprocal of 35 divided by 10, it is 10 by 35. Now in first number nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Okay, now we can cut this. 7 5s are 35, because 7 is present in numerator and 35 it is in denominator. So from numerator and denominator we can cut this. 7 5s are 35. Again we can simplify this. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So in numerator we have only 2. Denominator we have 1. 2 by 1, that means 2 only. So our final answer is 2. Okay, again I repeat this question. 7 divided by 3.5. First of all 7 as it is. Division even as it is. First of all we need to convert this decimal number into fraction. So ignore the decimal point 35. After decimal point one digit is there, so we need to put 10 here. So 10. One more thing, we do not need to take reciprocal in first number. Our first number remains as it is only. Okay, we only need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, now this division we need to convert in multiplication. We need to take reciprocal of second number. So 35 by 10, reciprocal 10 by 35. Here nothing is there, so we can write 1. 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 by 1 it is 2. Okay, next question number 2. 36 divided by 0.2. So first of all our 36 remains as it is. Division even remain as it is, because we need to convert this decimal number into fraction. Okay, so ignore the decimal point. So 0 2, that means 2. After decimal point we have one digit. Okay, so 10 we need to put in denominator. Before that 1, so 10. Okay, 0.2 is equals to 2 divided by 10. Okay, now our first number 36 remains as it is. Now we can convert this division into multiplication, and for that we need to take reciprocal of 2 by 10. Okay, so 2 Right now present in numerator, it goes to the denominator, and 10 present in denominator, it goes to the numerator. So it becomes 10 by 2. Okay. Now in denominator of 36 nothing is there, so we can write 1. Okay. Now we can simplify this. Okay. 2 18. 18 2s are 36. Okay. So we can cut this. Now in numerator we have 18 multiplied 10. So it is 180. Divide by 1 is there, but we do not need to write it because we get the same answer. Right? 180. Again, I repeat this question. 36 divided by 0.2. First of all, 36 remains as it is. Division even remains as it is. We need to convert this 0.2 into fraction. So ignore the decimal point. After decimal point, one digit is there. So we need to put 10 here. Then 36, nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Here we need to convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Our second number is 2 by 10, so reciprocal is 10 by 2. Then we can cut this. 18 to the 36, and numerator 18 multiplied 10, answer is 180. Okay. Next, question number 3. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now our both numbers are decimal number, right? So if in first step we need to convert both this number into fraction, okay, and our division remains as it is. After that we can take a reciprocal, and we can convert this division into multiplication. Okay, so first of all, just convert this 3.25 into decimal number. So ignore the decimal point, so it becomes a 325. Okay, ignore the decimal point, so 325, and after decimal point we have two zeros. Okay, so sorry, after decimal point we have two digits, 2 and 5, so we need to put 20 in denominator, before that 1, that means 100. Okay, first of all we need to ignore the decimal point, so 325. After decimal point we have two digits, so in denominator we need to write 100, two zeros. Okay, first of all our division remains as it is. We need to convert this 0.5 into fraction, so ignore the decimal point, so 5. After decimal point only one digit is there, so we need to put 10 in denominator, that means 10 we need to write. Okay, now our 325 divided by 100, our first number remains as it is. Okay, then we can convert this division into multiplication. We need to take reciprocal of 5 by 10. Okay, so reciprocal of 5 by 10, it is 10 by 5, right? We need to convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take the reciprocal of 5 by 10, it is 10 by 5. Okay, now we can simplify this. First of all, 110 cut. We can cut 5 with this 325, so 5 6 are 30, right, and 25, so 5 5 are, that means 65. Okay, otherwise you can do the division process. 325 divided by 5, you will get the answer 65. So in numerator we have 65, and in denominator we have 10. Again we need to convert this fraction into decimal number. So 65 divided by 10, in denominator we have 10, so in numerator before one digit we need to put decimal point, so before 5 we need to put decimal point, it is 6.5. Okay, 6.5 is our answer. Again I repeat this question. 3.25 divided by 0.5. First of all, convert this decimal number into fraction. So this is 325. After decimal point we have two zeros, so divide by 100. Okay, then division remains as it is, 0.5. So ignore the decimal point, so 5. After decimal point we have one digit, so here we need to write 10. Okay, then our first number remains as it is. We can convert this division into multiplication. We need to take reciprocal of 5 by 10, it is 10 by 5. Okay, then 110 cut. We can cut this 325 with 5, it is a 65. Then in numerator we have 65 and denominator we have 10. Here we have 10, so before one digit we need to put decimal point. So 6.5. This is our final answer. Okay. Then question number 4. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Okay, first of all, convert this decimal number into fraction. So 30.94, ignore the decimal point, so it is 3094. Okay, for denominator, here after decimal point we have two digits, so we need to put 20, that means 100. Okay, then division remains as it is. Convert this 0.7 into fraction. Okay, so ignore the decimal point 7. After decimal point we have only one digit, so in denominator 10, before that we need to write 1, so 10. Okay, so 30.94 is equals to 3094 divided by 100, and 0.7 is equals to 7 by 10. Now our first number remains as it is. Okay, we can convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of 7 by 10. It is 10 by 7. Okay, we need to change the numerator and denominator. Okay, 110 we can cut here, and we can cut this 3094 divided by 7. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 29, 7 4s are 28, 1 remainder 14, 7 2s are. So if we divide 3094 by 7, we get 442. So in numerator we have 442, and in denominator we have 10. Okay, this 10 is remaining here, and here 442. Okay, now in denominator we have only 10. So in numerator, before one digit we need to put decimal point. So before 2 we need to write decimal point. So our answer is 44.2. Okay, again I repeat this question. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Convert this decimal number into fractions. So 3094 divided by 100. Okay, after decimal point we have two digits, so here denominator 100. Then division remains as it is. We need to convert this 0.7 into fraction, so ignore the decimal point 7. After decimal point we have one digit, so 10 we need to write, that means 10. Now in first number, we as it is we need to put here. We need to convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take the reciprocal of 7 by 10. It is 10 by 7. Now we can cut this 110, and if we divide 3094 by 7, then we get the answer 442. Okay, so in numerator we have 442 divided by 10. Only 10 we have in denominator, so in numerator before one digit we need to put decimal point. So here before 2 we need to put decimal point. So our answer is 44.2. Okay, if you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.